Good morning, Year 2. It's lovely to see you all joining us this morning. I hope that you've been enjoying your online maths lessons so far this week. The pictures that I've seen coming through on Dojo have been incredible. I've been so impressed by not only your beautiful presentation in your maths book whilst working at home, but the amount of effort that you've been putting into your learning. I've been seeing so much maths, so I'm really proud of you. So today in maths, we're going to be moving on to the next small step in our block of learning on multiplication and division. Today, we're going to be focusing on adding equal groups. So if you could please pause the video here and write the date and learning objective. Well done, Year 2. So today, thinking about our steps to success, they are very similar to the last couple of days. However, you will see that there is a new step to success in another colour, and that is going to be our particular focus of learning today. So first of all, we're going to identify how many equal groups there are. Secondly, we will identify the amount that each equal group contains. Thirdly, we will write or say sentences together describing the equal groups. And our new learning is writing repeated addition to represent the equal groups. So we have focused on this a little bit during our big math sessions already this year. And lastly, just a little reminder that when solving a problem, please explain your mathematical thinking. So throughout this session, just like the previous lessons, there will be pause points where you can engage in conversation and show your amazing reasoning skills, explaining how you know something. So first of all, thinking back to yesterday's learning during our review phase, we have a question which says, Jenny thinks that this shows 3 groups of 2. Is she correct? Explain how you know. Please pause the video here and use the sentence starter to help with your reasoning. So I think Jenny is because. Well done, Year 2. It's fantastic, all the mathematical reasoning you've been engaging with at home or in the classroom. So well done for explaining in detail. So I'm going to share with you my thinking. So I think Jenny is incorrect because I notice that there are 2 equal groups with 3 counters in each group. This means that Jenny has got confused about the meaning of each number. Okay, well done, Year 2. Okay, moving on to our explore session. You will see on the screen that there is a picture of some pencils. You can see that these pencils have been grouped with the green outline around them. So as you can see on your screen, there are some STEM sentences to help you with describing the picture. I wonder if you could pause the video here and use these STEM sentences to describe what you can see. Well done, Year 2. Let's say them together now. There are 2 equal groups with 5 pencils in each group. Oops, fantastic. Okay, there are 2 5s. Fantastic. Well done, Year 2. Okay, so thinking about our new skill that we're focusing on today, how can you use repeated addition to show this? Please pause the video here and have a go at home. Well done, Year 2. So we can use repeated addition by adding together the amount shown in each equal group. So as our last STEM sentence described, there are 2 5s. So I can see there are 2 lots of 5. So 5, add 5 equals, what does 5 add 5 equal? What is the whole amount in the picture? Brilliant, well done. There are 10 pencils altogether. So we know 5 add 5 equals 10. Fantastic. So there are 5 pencils inside each group, hence why we have added the number 5. And there are 2 equal groups. So that's why we have added 2 lots of 5. Well done, Year 2. Okay, moving on to our next Explore question. You will see there's a picture of some tricycles, which is very exciting. And we have some STEM sentences to help us with describing the picture again. I wonder if you could pause the video here and use the STEM sentences to describe what you can see. Well done, Year 2. Now let's have a go together. There are wheels on each tricycle. How many wheels can you see on each tricycle? 1, 2, 3. Fantastic. There are 3 wheels on each tricycle. Can you repeat that STEM sentence? Well done, Year 2. Okay, the next STEM sentence says there are tricycles. How many tricycles are in the picture? Brilliant, let's say it together this time. There are 4 tricycles. Fantastic, well done. Okay, so the next STEM sentence is describing how many equal groups there are. How many equal groups are there in the picture, Year 2? Brilliant. Shall we answer the first part of that STEM sentence together? There are 4 equal groups. Brilliant. And that is because, Year 2, there are 4 tricycles. So we have 1 equal group, 2 equal groups, 3 equal groups, 4 equal groups. So we know there are 4 equal groups because there are 4 tricycles. Fantastic. Now let's have a think. What is the amount inside each equal group? So we're thinking about the wheels again. Brilliant. See if you can complete the STEM sentence by saying it out loud in the classroom with the adult that's helping you at home. Fantastic. Let's say it together now, Year 2. There are 4 equal groups of 3. Brilliant. Well done, Year 2. Okay, we're going to move on to practicing using repeated addition again. So having a look at the picture and looking at your STEM sentences, how may we use repeated addition to find the whole? Please pause the video here and have a go either on your whiteboard or in conversation, and I look forward to hearing your thoughts. Brilliant, well done, Year 2. Okay, we're going to review this together now. So, with repeated addition, we add the amount inside each equal group. So I know that there are 4 equal groups of 3. So I'm going to be adding 3 every time. So 3. Sorry, I'm second guessing my typing here. 3, add 3, add 3, add 3. There are 4 equal groups of 3. So we have 4 lots of 3. Fantastic. Okay. Why have I added 4 lots of 3 then? I paused to myself then and I second guessed it. I thought, should I be adding 3 lots or should I be adding 4 lots? So I think I'm correct. What do you think? Have a conversation at home. Brilliant, well done, Year 2. So we have added 3 every time because there The amount inside each group is 3. We have added 4 lots of 3 because there are 4 equal groups. What do you think the whole amount is? Brilliant, well done. The whole is 12. Fantastic. Shall we say the repeated addition together now? 3, add 3, add 3, add 3 equals 12. You might check your thinking by counting in multiples of 3, as we've practiced this already in year 2. So let's try that together. 3, 6, 9, 12. Brilliant. You might even use the picture to help you. Fantastic. Okay, on your screen now, year 2, you will see the step 1 questions. For step 1 today, please complete the sentences which describe the pictures. There is a sentence using your words and a number sentence for each picture. So please pause the video here and complete step 1. Brilliant, well done year 2. I'm so proud of you for all of your effort that you're putting into your learning. Well done. Okay, we're going to move on to exploring step 2 now. So on your screen, you should be able to see another picture. Please, can you describe what you can see in the picture using the STEM sentences that we've been practicing together? I'm going to ask you some questions to prompt your thinking. How many equal groups are there? What is the amount inside each group? Please pause the video here and have a conversation about it. Brilliant, well done. Okay, so we can see that there are 3 equal groups with 2 socks in each group. I wonder if you could write a number sentence to match the picture. Remember to use repeated addition. Please pause the video here and have a go. Fantastic, well done. So let's have a go together. So with repeated addition, remember we add the amount inside each group every time. So I can see that there are 2 socks in each group. And there are 2 socks because they are a pair of socks. So 2 for the stripy ones, add another 2 for the spotty socks, and add another 2 for the blue and yellow socks. So 2, add 2, add 2 represents the picture that we can see in front of us. Okay, so I now need to find the whole. What is the whole amount of socks? Well done, there are 6 socks altogether. So the whole is 6. Brilliant. So if we look at the number sentence, we can see that we have added 3 2s. That is because there are 3 equal groups of 2. Shall we say the number sentence together now? 2 add 2 add 2 equals 6. Fantastic. Well done. Remember, if you want to check your whole, you can count in multiples. So here we are counting in our 2s. Let's have a go together. 2, 4, 6. Brilliant. Well done, year 2. Okay, moving on to our next explore question. It says, draw a picture to represent the number sentence. Should we read the number sentence together? 10 add 10 add 10 equals 30. Okay, please pause the video here and have a go at drawing a picture to show the meaning of this number sentence. Well done, year 2. So I did have a go with the pen on the laptop, but it wasn't looking wonderful. So I have copied and pasted some pictures to help me out. But I'm sure that you have drawn some amazing pictures in your book, which I look forward to seeing. So from just having a look at this number sentence together, we can see that 10 is the amount inside each equal group. Okay, so that information is going to help us with drawing our picture. I can see that 3 10s have been added together. So this means that there are 3 groups of 10, and that gives us a whole of 30. Okay, so let's have a look together. I have drawn a picture of 3 packs of pens. Okay, so let's have a look. I can see that I have 1 equal group of 10, 2 equal groups of 10, 3 equal groups of 10. So there are 3 packs of pens with 10 pens in each pack. Okay, so 10, add 10, add 10 equals 30 pens altogether. I chose to draw pens. You might have drawn something completely different. You might have drawn ones or a 10 stick or some sweets or some fruits or some cars. I'm sure there's lots of different pictures amongst our class. So well done, Year 2. Okay, on your screen now, you should be able to see the step 2 questions. For step 2 on 2A, it says write a number sentence to match the picture. There are 2 parts to this question. So please write a number sentence to match the picture of the hands and a number sentence to match the picture of the apples. Please use repeated addition for each number sentence. On to B, there's a question around Rosie. Rosie has 20p. So having a think around how many 10p, 5p and 2p coins she could have. And then on 2C, please draw a picture to represent the number sentence. Similar to 2A, there are 2 parts to this question, so please draw a picture for each number sentence. I hope you enjoy it, Year 2. Well done, Year 2. We're going to move on to exploring step 3 together now, and we're going to be practicing explaining our mathematical thinking and also approaching a problem which might have more than one step. So first of all, Annabelle buys 2 packs of pencils. She writes a number sentence to show this. 2, add 2, add 2, add 2, add 2, add 2 equals 12. Is she correct? Explain how you know. I wonder if you can also prove it by drawing a picture to match Annabelle's number sentence. What do you notice about your picture? Please pause the video here and engage in conversation at home or in the classroom. Brilliant. Well done, Year 2. I'm going to share my mathematical thinking with you now. So let's have a look. Annabelle buys 2 packs of pencils. So we know that there are 2 groups as shown in the picture. So here we have 1 equal group and another equal group, which makes 2 equal groups altogether. Brilliant. Okay. Looking at this picture, I can see there's 6 pencils in each group. And when writing repeated addition, we write the amount that's inside each equal group each time we are adding. So I don't think she is correct. What did you think? Brilliant. Now I'm going to share with you my reasoning. I don't expect that you would have written this much, but I just wanted to share it with you. I think Annabelle is incorrect because the 2's in the number sentence represent the amount inside each group. I can see that there are 6 pencils inside each group instead of 2. I also notice that Annabelle thinks there are 6 equal groups, but there are 2 equal groups. This means Annabelle has not shown the correct meaning of each number. The correct number sentence is 6 add 6 equals 12, because there are 2 equal groups of 6. So we would be adding 6 together because that is the amount inside each equal group. Okay, moving on to our last explore question for today. Blueberries are sold in packs of 5. Jodie buys 2 packs. How many blueberries does she have? If she buys 1 more pack, how many blueberries will Jodie have now? So as you can see, there are 2 parts to this question, as there are 2 questions. So I suggest pausing the video here and having a conversation about it, beginning with the first step, answering how many blueberries does Jodie have, before talking about how many blueberries Jodie will have after buying 1 more pack. So please pause the video here. Well done, Year 2. So let's have a look together. So blueberries are sold in packs of 5 and Jodie buys 2 packs. How many blueberries does she have? So if there's 2 packs, as we can see in the picture, there are 2 equal groups. So that means we're going to be adding together 2 parts. So here we have our number sentence with the missing numbers. So there are 2 packs. So like I say, we are adding a number together twice, but the number that we're adding together is the amount inside each equal group. So as we can see in the picture, there are 5 blueberries inside each pack. So 5 add 5 equals, oh, so how many blueberries does she have? Brilliant. She has 10 blueberries altogether. So 5 add 5 equals 10. Let's say the sentence together. Jodie has 10 blueberries. Well done. Okay, but if Jodie buys 1 more pack, how many blueberries will Jodie have now? I'm going to draw a picture of the blueberries so that we can see what it will look like. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blueberries. And I'm going to draw a group around the pack of blueberries. Brilliant. Okay, so how many equal groups are there now? There are equal groups. Brilliant. There are 3 equal groups, which means that we are going to be adding the amount inside each equal group 3 times. So, who can remind me, what is the amount of blueberries inside each equal group? Brilliant. There are 5 blueberries in each equal group. So 5 add 5 add 5 equals, oh, how many blueberries does Jodie have now? Well done. The whole is 15. She will have 15 blueberries. Fantastic. Well done, Year 2. Okay, on your screens now, you should be able to see the step 3 questions to solve in your book. For 3A, Dexter has 5 of the same coins. How much money does Dexter have if these are the coins? On 3B, complete the sentences. If there are 2 parts to 3B, so there is a number sentence for each part and a sentence underneath to explain what that number sentence means using your words. And on 3C, you're going to be solving a problem. Which one does not belong? So when the word one means which picture, So as you can see, there are some Umicon, and there is dice, there is number sentence, there's short statements, there's also some coins. So which one does not belong there? And what do we need to change to make them all represent the same? So thinking about making the same whole. I've written 2 sentences here to help you with your explaining. So does not belong because we need to and explain. Brilliant. If you could pause the video here and complete step 3, that'd be amazing. Well done, year 2. Okay, well done for all of your hard work this morning. Again, I am so proud of you, so well done to you. On the screen now, you are able to see the answers, so please review your learning together at home. Brilliant. Well done, year 2. I look forward to our next maths lesson together. Take care.